Audience sound effects. Brendan and John are acting out a scene, and 2 audience volunteers are providing the sound effects for them.
Okay, now all we need is some people who think that they got what it takes to do some sound effects. Now these sound effects gotta rock. Okay, so everyone with their hand up. All 4 of you better be ready. One right here, and how about you, young sir?
All right. All right, on the count of 3, I want you to holler out your favorite thing to do in the summer. You just had summer, think of your favorite thing to do in the summer. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. That was like almost unanimous.
It's like everyone's going to swim.
Swim.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't we have a day at the beach?
Sounds good. Swim! Yeah! Rock on!
Nice.
I like it.
He doesn't like me.
Neither do I.
Okay, so have we got everything?
Yeah. Okay, why don't we test it out? Sound effects. Good to rest. Yeah, Dave, you're sweating like crazy. Okay,
Who's doing mine?
One's working up here.
Who's doing mine?
Young man right here.
What's your name? Jonathan? Love that name. Okay, Jonathan, let's practice for a bit, okay? All right, so I'm going to pull out my rifle and I'm going to shoot that seagull. Nice! My hand! Okay, go ahead.
And I have... Oh, is it on? Is that second? Just turn. There you go. Awesome.
There you go.
We have?
Kayla.
Perfect. Kayla, if I were to have a war cry, it would sound something like this. Very intimidating.
If I was a seagull, that would terrify me.
Right?
Okay, Brandon. I'm so glad I took the day off.
I know, me too.
Can you imagine this beautiful day and having to work in the office?
This is awesome. I love it.
Okay, let's get everything set up, then we'll go jump in the water, all right? Okay, I'm gonna grab this great big, umbrella, the sun umbrella.
Hey! That's... Looks like it's just opened up.
It's voice activated.
Great.
I got off eBay. That's pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna shove it in the sand here.
There's so much shit.
Yeah. I know.
Hey, guess what I bought?
What?
You'll never guess. See if you can understand just by the sound.
You brought your rubber ducky? No! Oh man, that is so not cool. That's in your bathtub. Holy smokes. Here, I'll roll out the blankets.
All right.
You like that? You like that?
Very impressive.
I know. Why don't you open up the food?
Oh, just out of the cooler here.
You vacuum pack the food?
I don't want this stuff going bad, man.
It's amazing!
This is great.
What's on here?
You want a soda?
Sure.
I don't know what to do with that one.
Wow. There's not a lot of fizz in that one, is there? No. That's okay. I've had a lot of coffee lately. Having more caffeine in the next 8 years. That's great. Me either.
I got some sun chips. You know how loud those things are.
Yeah.
Biodegradable bag.
Did you hear a goat somewhere? That was odd. I thought this was a no-goat beach. Exactly. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna get the barbecue lit. Okay.
Oh, good idea.
All right. So I'm just gonna turn on the gas.
I'll eat the sun chips.
Wow.
I can do very quietly with my mouth open sometimes.
All right. I'm gonna turn on the gas here.
Is that you or the grill?
It's actually me. I was just blaming the barbecue. I had burritos for breakfast. All right. I'm just gonna toss a match into the
Hey,
barbecue.
you know what's always good on beach days?
What?
Skeet shooting. But want to pull that gun out?
Where do you have
It's
it?
back there. It's in my pocket.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Look at that!
Wow.
Yeah.
That is the biggest shotgun I've ever seen in a Speedo.
Well, how many people know where to put it? That's the trick. So anyway, do you want to maybe do some skeet shooting? Okay, let's get on to the skeet shooting. Go! Shoot! something.
This is blood. And I don't want to know with what. Okay, let's try it again. I want to shoot some seagulls. Let's see those seagulls. Bang.
Do you hear them? It's like a flock of seagulls.
And a crow.
I say go for the crow first.
I'm going to shoot the crow first. Bang! Wow. That's one of those delayed action guns. I'm going to shoot the whole flock. And there goes the crow.
They are all done.
You know what we should do?
Sir, sorry about that. Really.
Don't even worry about him. Let's have crow on the barbecue.
Oh, that sounds good.
I know. Why don't you throw me the crow?
Alright. Still alive a little bit.
That's fine. Nice. All right, I'm just going to throw him on the barbecue. Done. Are you hungry?
Boy, am I! These things are so crunchy when they're like this.
I think you left your dentures in the
That's what happens sometimes when you eat crow.
You know what? I'm really glad. You're awesome.
I know.
I'm really glad to spend this day on the beach with you.
Me too.
And I want to sing you a song.
But that's what I was gonna do.
I know. I want to
What
sing
would
you.
we do? A duet? Not the same song necessarily, but just a really good rendition of something we love.
You know what love song I'm thinking of?
No?
Good.
Alright.
All right.
Okay.
Is that
Something by
is it- no, it's a rap song.
Oh!
I just got it's a little beach rap that I have. All right. So the first line is all about the sand.
Hey, why don't I lay down the beat for you?
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
And I just wanted to get you started. I just want to do the whole thing.
I appreciate that. You know what? I've had a full day. I don't even feel like singing. I just feel like going home.
All right.
Thanks for being with me, man.
Take care.